We have extra little storage room, a little Harry Potter closet under the stairs, and then another storage space, and there's another storage space, which I just completely passed up. And don't worry, there's more storage this way, and there's a whole entire storage room. So this house has you covered when it comes to storage. Hello, and here we are at a beautiful house in central Eugene. This is very close to Oakaway Center, which is a very amazing shopping center. It's close to the mall, it's close to the river, it's close to hiking trails. It's pretty much the most central that you can get. Okay, but one thing that I will note before we even go in, the grass here is AstroTurf, so you don't even have to take care of it. It looks like this year round. You don't have to cut it, you don't have to have a lawnmower. But I will show you this amazing new construction house on the inside now. I'm obsessed. As you walk through the door, you'll notice that it is very large. It goes all the way up to the ceiling pretty much, which gives it kind of a feeling of the house being even bigger than it is, which it is a big house. But as you walk in, there's this front room. It can be used as an office space, or if you needed to be an extra bedroom, you totally could transform it into that because there's a closet as well. Big windows that are front facing, you can see out of the house. It lets it have natural light coming in. As you walk into the house, there's this large open hallway. There's a guest bathroom right here. And as you'll notice, everything is new construction, so it's all brand new. There's new tile, the vanity is beautiful, staged very well too. There is a stairway up to the second floor, but I'll show you the down first. All right, this kitchen is my dream kitchen. There is brand new, it looks like granite countertops. The cabinets, there's so much cabinet space. There's a large stove, as well as all of the appliances are stainless steel. There's a large farm sink, a dishwasher, and not only does it have this island where you have bar stools, you can have extra right here and set them up and store them. But what I really love is the floating shelves. This is a really cool touch in most new modern homes. A lot of people install floating shelves, but these are already installed for you, so you don't have to go through the trouble of it. And there's floating shelves in the living room as well that match this area. Right next to the kitchen, there's this lovely dining room. It has a chandelier that you can put over the dining table. There's a door that leads to outside, as well as another door here in the living room that leads to outside, and it has the same AstroTurf, the same grass as the front that doesn't need to be maintained at all. It'll look great year round. But one of my favorite features about this giant living room are all of the windows that bring in natural light. I love how big it is. The floor is nice and new. It kind of has a rustic feel, like a rustic farmhouse feel. But this fireplace is absolutely stunning, and it's just kind of the center focal point of the space. And like I said, there are floating shelves above it too. And off of the living room, you have your washer and dryer room with a sink that has the same countertops as the kitchen. And then your garage is in there as well, but I won't show you that. Heading to the master bedroom, you'll see this large closet. You'll see this large closet. There is so much storage in this house. I'll show you even upstairs. There is so much space to put stuff. This is the master bedroom. You'll notice that there are large windows. This allows natural light to be coming in the house all day. And a really cool feature, instead of having a door that swings out, they've installed this farmhouse door that slides instead, and I think it's such a beautiful piece. It's a beautiful addition to this home. And the master bathroom, I love a good tub. And this one is amazing. So you have the tub, you have shiplap around the tub, which is so beautiful. That's another modern farmhouse style that I've noticed are becoming a lot popular in a lot of houses. There's honeycomb hexagon tiles, and there's this vanity that has these stylish pulls on all of the cabinets. These are also in style right now, and I think they look very classic, so they'll be in style for a while. And you have double sink, large walk-in shower. There is a door that leads to the toilet, so you can have privacy, and a walk-in closet as well. This bathroom and master bedroom has it all. Up those stairs that you saw on the entryway, this is the upstairs, the second floor. You come up, you have this communal space. This is perfect as like a bonus room to have a TV. There's a sofa. You can use this as a playroom. This is multifunctional. And you'll notice we have an extra little storage room. Your little Harry Potter closet under the stairs. And then another storage space. And there's another storage space, which I just completely passed up. And don't worry, there's more storage. Come back this way, and there's a whole entire storage room. So this house has you covered when it comes to storage. This is bedroom number 1 and has a walk-in closet, so even more storage with a light, which is nice. As well as a bathroom. Its own bathroom attached to it. Look at this tiling on the floor, that's just beautiful. It has a vanity, walk-in shower, toilet, everything you need, full bathroom. And number 2 is this way. But first we'll stop at this bathroom. It's another bathroom, full bath. This one has the closed off shower and toilet, but it has a tub as well. And this has 2 sinks. And we have bedroom number 2. And this one is amazing. It has another giant walk-in closet. So everything in this house, brand new, lots of storage, grass you don't have to take care of, lots of space to spend time with family and hang out. The bedrooms are very beautiful, and they're new, modern, the carpet's wonderful. Everything about this house is stunning. So I hope you liked this tour, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. 구독, 좋아요, 해주세요.